In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and edit your pages on Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will give you the foundational skills to make your website truly stand out. So let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is the nerve center of your website where you'll have access to all settings, analytics, and design options. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and once you're in, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage. Now, select the website that you intend to work on. Be sure to choose the right one, as this will bring up all the specific features and pages associated with that site. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the menu options. Navigate to the Website section, and then click on Pages. This area is crucial because it's where you can see every individual page that exists on your site. You'll notice a list of both live and under construction pages. Find the page you would like to edit. This could be anything from your homepage to a blog post. Go ahead and click on it, and then press Edit located in the top left corner of your screen. As you're editing, you'll see different blocks that make up the page layout on your screen. Each block represents a different section or type of content you can customize. Feel free to adjust text, images, or any other media to better fit your vision. If at any point you're not satisfied with the changes, don't worry, there's a quick fix. You can easily undo your edits by pressing Command+Z if you're on a Mac or Control+Z if you're using Windows. This handy shortcut can save you a lot of time and stress, allowing you to step back to previous stages seamlessly. Once you've made all the desired changes, and you're confident that the page looks just as you want it, it's time to save your work. Look up to the top left corner of the page editor and press Save. This is an essential step to ensure your edits are preserved and applied to the live website. Remember, until you save, your changes are not set in stone, so always double-check to confirm this final action. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently and effectively modify any page on your Squarespace site. With a bit of practice, you'll become more comfortable with the interface and begin to sow your creative threads throughout your entire website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. Happy editing!